I have discovered an easier way for people learning IndexMatch to understand the process. I was teaching a group of students the other day, and they all seemed confused until I explained the principles using named ranges. So here we have a list of sales, and there is no salesperson attached to here. And so we go to the second sheet here, and you have a list of salespeople and the account numbers that they're responsible for. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to find out who was responsible for each one of these sales. So what I do first of all is I am going to go and I'm going to name the ranges. So on the second sheet, I'm going to start from the name of the first salesperson, and I'm going Control, Shift, and down arrow. So I'm selecting all 3,000 records or 3,000 rows, and I'm naming this range salesperson. So I'm going to the name box, and I'm writing salesperson. Salesperson is close enough, and I'm pressing enter. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to the B2, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm pressing Control, Shift, down arrow, and I'm going to name this account number. Account num. And I'm going to press enter. Now, when you go back to sheet 1 and you want to put the salesperson in here, so we'll start our process with the equal sign, and we go index. So we go type in the word index, and we put an opening bracket. And so the first thing that you're indexing is you're trying to find out what salesperson is going here. And so you have that named range, so you just type in the word salesperson, S-A, and there it is. It comes up as a named range. And then I put a comma, and then I'm going to go match. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and select the account number here. And so I am going to match it to the list of account numbers on the other thing. So I start typing in the named range. And there it is, account number. Now, we are going to need 2 closing brackets here because we have 2 opening brackets. And we press enter. And there's the first one. Now to extend this to the bottom of our 9,000 records, we're going to double click the fill handle. And there you have all of your salespeople are entered into the thing, entered the list. Now, if I put salesperson up here, and I go to data, and I refresh all the data. So now if I go insert and I go pivot table, and we'll just make a quick simple pivot table out of this since we're going to a new worksheet. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to select salesperson. And I'm going to put it in a row, and then I'm going to select the amount, and I'm going to put it in the sum values. And so there you have, quickly and easily, you have the total of what each of these people have sold. So that is an easy way to understand IndexMatch. Please subscribe.